How to fix the can't send this video problem in your WhatsApp iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your WhatsApp iPhone problem videos are not sending. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your iPhone settings, and from here you have to scroll down and go in the general. Now from here you have to go in your iPhone storage, and once you are in you just have to scroll down, and here you have to find out the option of your WhatsApp. Now you just have to click on it, and as you can see that here is the option of the offload app. Now basically by offloading this your WhatsApp, it will free up the storage that is used by the app but keep all of its documents and the data, so you just have to offload it. And after that you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and you just have to search for your WhatsApp. So now once you are in, you have to click on it and update your WhatsApp Messenger. And after updating it, you have to go back and open up your WhatsApp. And after opening it, you just have to click on it, and you have to go in your camera roll and add any attachment or the video that you want to send. But before that, you have to make sure that you go in your Wi-Fi and you have to restart it. And after restarting your Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you are using, you are able to fix your video are not sending in your WhatsApp iPhone. So these are the only way that you can fix your WhatsApp videos are not sending. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.